Greetings! This is the OneBusiness ERP training video series, and in this tutorial, we'll be exploring the plant maintenance module's maintenance plan transactions. To begin, please select the maintenance plan tile. From there, we'll delve into the maintenance plan transaction and its usefulness in the asset maintenance module. A maintenance plan is an item used to automate work order creation. By creating a maintenance plan, you can incorporate it into equipment maintenance planning. Essentially, a maintenance plan outlines the task lists required for equipment maintenance, as well as the frequency and number of cycles for specific equipment maintenance. This page, also known as a dashboard, displays all maintenance plans. It is a list page that displays maintenance plan number, task type, work center, planner group, maintenance strategy, status, and action item blocks. You can filter the maintenance plans by description and view the details using the I button, just like with other transactions. You can also modify the details of the maintenance plan using the Edit button. Finally, click the Add New Maintenance Plan button, fill in the information on the page, and click Submit to create a new maintenance plan. Alternatively, you can copy an existing maintenance plan to create a new one. So, what is the purpose of the maintenance plan? Maintenance plans are used by staff to create maintenance planning documents that include equipment. You can also select a periodicity for a maintenance plan. The system can automatically create notifications and work orders for equipment for regular bearing inspection and lubrication using a task list and maintenance plan. We hope you found this training session helpful. Thank you for watching.